Okay, so let's go now to the continuation of our lesson number 7. Number 4. A nurse monthly pay is 40,000 pesos. In 4 years, her nominal salary rises to 46,000 pesos. Over the same period, the CPI rose from 100 to 115. Calculate the percentage change in her real wage. So given monthly pay now is 40,000, and then later 46,000 after 4 years, and the CPI is 100 to 115. So required percent change in the real wage. So solution, real wage measured relative to CPI. So the base is 100. The initial real is 40,000 times 100 over 100, 40,000. Final real is 46,000 times 100 over 115,000. That is 40,000. The percentage change is 40,000 minus 40,000 divided by 40,000 times 100. The final answer is 0. Number 5. A worker earns 18,000 per month and gets a 5% annual raise, but inflation runs at 6% per year. Determine the percentage loss in purchasing power after 3 years. So given present 18,000, the raise 5% per year, inflation 6% per year, and is equals to 3 years. Require the percentage change in purchasing power after 3 years. The nominal after 3 years is 18,000 times 1.05 raised to 3. And then the calculated value is 20,837 and 25 cents. So real today's pesos, that is 20,837 divided by 1.063 cube, and that is 17,489 and 36. So the percent change is 17,495 pesos and 36 minus 18,000 divided by 18,000 times 100%, and it is negative 2.8%. That negativity would mean the loss of 2.8% purchasing power. Number 6. A factory employee's daily wage is 850 pesos. If prices increase by 4% per year, what will be the equivalent daily wage in today's value after 10 years if wages remain the same? So given daily wage 850 pesos remains same, and then in inflation 4% per year, and n is equals to 10. The equivalent value in today's pesos after 10 years. Solution, real value today is equal to the future nominal divided by 1 plus inflation raised to n. Substituting the given data, the final answer is 574 pesos and 23 centavos. Number 7. A government employee earns 500,000 annually. CPI this year is 120, and next year it is expected to be 125. If the employee's salary stays the same, find the percentage change in purchasing power. So given salary 500,000 unchanged, CPI now 120, CPI next year 125, and the required percentage change in purchasing power. So solution, the real now is 500,000 times 100 over 120 is equal to 416,666 pesos and 67 centavos. Real next will be 500,000 times 100 over 125, that's 400,000 pesos. The percent change will be equal to 400,000 minus 416,666.67 divided by 416,666.67 times 100%. That's equivalent to negative 4%. That negativity means the purchasing power fails by 4%. Number 8, a salesperson earns 22,000 monthly. After 7 years, inflation averages 3% per year. Find the monthly wage needed at that time to maintain the same standard of living. Given present 22,000 pesos, inflation 3% per year, and N is 7. Required monthly wage needed after 7 years. Solution, 22,000 times 1.03 raised to the 7th power. And the answer is 27,057 pesos and 23 centavos. So the final answer is 27,057 pesos and 23 cents. Number 9, a skilled technician's wage grows from 45,000 pesos to 55,000 in 5 years, while inflation averaged 3% annually. Determine the real wage growth over the period. So given wage rose from 45,000 to 55,000 in 5 years, inflation 3% per year. So required the real wage growth in percentage. Solution, real final is 55,000 divided by 1.03 raised to the fifth power, and that's equivalent to 47,443 pesos and 48 centavos. So the percent real growth is equal to 47,443 pesos and 48 centavos minus 45,000 divided by 45,000 times 100%. That's equivalent to 5.43%. So the final answer is real wage grew by 5.43%. That's the real final. And number 10, the current minimum wage is 610 pesos per day. If inflation averages 5% annually, how much should the minimum wage be in 12 years to match today's purchasing power? So given present minimum wage is equal to 610 pesos per day, inflation is 5% per year, and is 12. Required, future minimum wage required. So solution, 610 times 1.05 raised to the 12 power is equal to 1,095 pesos and 47 centavos. Okay, MCQ for lesson number 7, determining the impact of inflation on wages over time. So number 1, if an employer earns 30,000 monthly and inflation is 4% per year, what formula can be used to find the equivalent wage after 5 years? Letter A, future wage is equals to current wage times 1 minus inflation rate raised to the fifth power. Letter B, future wage is equals to the current wage times 1 plus inflation rate raised to the fifth power. Letter C, future wage is equal to current wage divided by 1 plus inflation rate raised to the fifth power. And then letter D, future wage equals to current wage times inflation rate times 5. Number 2, a teacher earns 35,000 per month. If inflation averages 3% per year, which statement is true after 10 years if their salary stays the same? Letter A, their purchasing power increases. Letter B, their real wage decreases. Letter C, their nominal wage increases. Letter D, their cost of living decreases. Number 3, if the CPI rises from 100 to 120, what is the inflation rate? Letter A, 15%. Letter B, 18%. Letter C, 20%. Letter D, 22%. Number 4. Which formula correctly calculates the real wage when the given nominal wage and CPI? When given nominal wage and CPI. Letter A, real wage is equal to nominal wage times CPI times 100. Real wage is equal to the nominal wage divided by CPI times 100. Letter C, real wage is equal to CPI divided by nominal wage times 100. Letter D, real wage is equal to nominal wage plus CPI and then divide by 100. Number 5. An employee earns 480,000 annually. If the inflation is 5% per year, how much salary is needed after 6 years to maintain purchasing power? Letter A, 643,000 pesos. Letter B, 640,000 pesos. Letter C, 640,000 pesos. Letter D, 650,000 pesos. Number 6. What does purchasing power mean? Letter A, the number of goods and services a wage can buy. Letter B, the total amount of wages received in a year. Letter C, the future value of wages. Letter D, the total inflation rate. Number 7. A nurse earns 40,000 now and 50,000 in 5 years. Inflation is 5%, which is true. A, her real wage has increased. Letter B, her real wage has decreased. Letter C, her real wage stays the same. D, her real wage doubled. Number 8. If inflation is 6% annually, how long will it take for prices to double approximately? A, 6 years. B, 8 years. C, 10 years. D, 12 years. Number 9. Which term refers to the wage before adjusting for inflation? Letter A, real wage. B, nominal wage. C, purchasing power. D, CPI adjusted wage. Number 10. If an employee's nominal wage growth is lower than inflation, what happens to their real wage? It increases. It stays the same. C, it decreases. D, it doubles. Number 11. The minimum wage is 500 pesos per day. Inflation averaged 3% annually. Which method will correctly calculate the equivalent wage after 7 years? Letter A, 500 times 1 plus 0.03 raised to the 7th power. Letter B, 500 divided by 1 divided by 1 plus 0.03 raised to the 7th power. Letter D, 500 times 0.03 times 7. So we have a next part of this lesson, number 35.